Right now, we're at the Martian Linear Pond. This is a habitat that was built to just bring more diversity to the island. One of the species that we've been seeing is bank swallows. So we built this bank swallow habitat structure. We can see over there, they're flying in and out of it. We actually found bank swallows nesting in an industrial site in the community, but they were going to remove it when they were done nesting, so we wanted to build a permanent home for them. These are species at risk in Canada. Their populations have just been on the decline year after year after year. They naturally nest in sandbanks along shorelines, but because of shoreline development, you don't have those natural sandbanks anymore. So this bank swallow structure simulates the natural shorelines that they used to nest. I think 2 or 3 weeks after we finished the construction, we had the whole thing filled. So that's like 200 birds. It feels amazing, that immediate gratification for an environmental project. Sometimes you don't see these things happening in real time, but it was just immediate success.